Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record meeting on Zoom for Android. So if you guys using Android on using Android for your Zoom apps and you want to record the meeting because you don't want to take notes but you want to rewatch the meeting, so this is what you can do to record the meeting. So let's just launch the Zoom app first. Okay, here since I don't have any meeting, so I'm going to just start a new meeting with myself. You can just tap on start a meeting in here. Okay, so on the Zoom app there is no built-in record feature. So just go back to your home screen and find video or albums, and here you'll find the screen recording of your meeting, so you can just play it again to see or rewatch your meeting. So once again, you can just use the built-in screen recording apps on your device. If you don't have any, you can always find a screen recording app. You can use a third-party app that you can find on the Google Play Store. You can just find a screen recorder app and download it. So that's all for me. That's how you can record meeting on Zoom for Android device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.